In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order Revolut plastic card from Revolut Business. First, a quick overview so you know what to expect. Ordering a physical plastic card for your Revolut Business account is straightforward, but it does depend on your role and permissions. If you're the account owner or you've been granted permission to view and manage cards, you can place the order yourself. If not, you'll submit a request that your admin can approve. I'll walk you through both paths clearly. If you have the right permissions, start by opening Revolut Business on web or mobile and head to the cards section. This is your hub for everything card related. From there, choose order card. You'll be guided through a few simple prompts. Pick the card holder. In this example, choose yourself. Make sure the name matches your business records to avoid delivery issues. You may be asked to confirm the delivery address and card options. Keep an eye on any fees or delivery timelines if they're shown, as these can vary by region and plan. When everything looks correct, complete the order. That's it. Once it's placed, the new card will appear in the cards section. You can return here anytime to see its status, like pending, in production, or dispatched, and to view basic details tied to the card profile. Now, if you don't have permission to order cards directly, there's an easy alternative. Go to the same cards section and select Request Card. Follow the instructions on screen. You'll indicate who the card is for. Again, choose yourself in this case, and provide any details your company requires, such as a short reason for the request or a preferred delivery address. Submitting a clear, concise reason can help your admin approve it faster. After you send the request, all you need to do is wait. You'll receive a notification once your request is approved. Make sure notifications are enabled in your device or browser so you don't miss it. When approval comes through, check the cards section and you should see the card listed, just like if you had ordered it yourself. A few closing tips to keep things smooth. Double check that your business profile, information, and delivery address are up to date before you begin, and be aware of any internal policies your company has for issuing cards, like spending limits or approval workflows. With that, you're ready to order or request your Revolut Business plastic card with confidence.